You all know when Lattafa releases a new perfume, it takes a while before it gets to us, right? Sometimes it takes 1 month, two, sometimes even 3 months before it gets to us. But today I have the most sought after perfume at the moment by Lattafa. This is Layaan by Lattafa. Luckily for me, as always, I was able to get it, and yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing this Layaan by Lattafa. Now, before I got this perfume, I went on Fragrantica to check out the notes of this perfume. While I checked out the notes of this perfume was giving me the vibe, or I was thinking it's going to smell like fresh floral, you know, clean perfume, but the bottle is misleading somehow. I'm looking at the bottle online as I was, going through the fragrance notes and all that. The bottle is giving the vibe of, all these playful, sweet, fruity, floral type of scent. That's what the bottle is giving. But today we are going to be finding out if it's a fruity floral perfume or if it's a clean, a clean floral scent, so let's get right into today's unboxing, shall we? It's really beautiful. Now, let's spray it. Why am I not getting anything from this strip? On the strip is very subtle. The smell on the strip is very, very subtle. Layaan by Lattafa is a floral perfume. What I was expecting to give me, that's not what it's giving me. I was expecting I don't know, when am I going to expect a perfume to smell a certain way and it will smell that way? Going by the note of this perfume, what I'm getting here is not what I was expecting. I was expecting a very floral, clean floral perfume, but what I'm getting here, I'm getting something like fruity floral perfume. Feminine. This is a feminine perfume. I wouldn't say it's a gorgeous feminine perfume because this DNA is kind of familiar but mixed with something else to make it more. This one is more floral than fruity, but it is fruity as well, right? I'm not a fan of tuberose. I'm not a fan of that DNA. I'm not a fan of that floral note in perfume. Like, I'm getting that tuberose scent profile or that tuberose note in this, so it's kind of putting me off this perfume, right? I'm not a fan of tuberose, and that tuberose is very, very present in Rose Gold. That's one of the reasons I don't really like that perfume. And the one in that Rose Gold is very, very thick. Is very, very sharp. Okay, but in this one is not very sharp, but it is there. Okay, and for me, tuberose notes usually induce headache for me, okay? But to be fair, it is not very thick and sharp in this, but it's there. So that note is kind of putting me off. That's not what I was expecting from this perfume. But the thing is, with this Layaan by Lattafa, it will be beautiful for people who enjoy that tuberose perfume note, okay? That's tuberose is also in My Way by Giorgio Armani. I think for My Way by Giorgio Armani, I kind of not like love the perfume, but I tolerate it because I think that is like the first tuberose perfume I got that, you know, opened my eyes to what tuberose smells like. You see, this one is not a bad scent. It's beautiful. I think I will tolerate this one as I tolerate My Way by Giorgio Armani, but it is not outstanding for me because of I don't enjoy the tuberose notes in perfumes anymore, okay? The perfumes that this perfume reminds me of, one, it kind of reminds me of My Way a little bit. It reminds me of Amirat Al Arab by Astaf. It also reminds me of Shad by Lattafa. Last but not the least, it reminds me of Heiba by Ad Al Zafaran. Those are the perfumes that this Layaan by Lattafa reminds me of. I like the dry down more than the opening. The dry down kind of gives more soapiness. It's more soapy and clean. The dry down of this perfume is where I would rather be. The dry down is so pretty compared to the opening. I think the opening kind of threw me off a bit, but the dry down is beautiful. This perfume is going to get better as time goes on. I think it's going to get better as time goes on. Honestly, I wish that notes in this was not there. This would have just been like a banger for me. It would have just been an absolute banger for me. But in all, it's a nice smelling perfume. People that enjoy this DNA, they will jump on this, they will eat it up. It doesn't smell like an Arabian perfume. You know, Arabian perfumes, they are known for their rich, spicy, woody accords, but there is nothing like that in this. This one just smells like a designer pretty perfume. Perfumes that Elizabeth Arden will make, yes, even YSL. Well, that's all I have to tell you about this perfume by Lattafa that I just got. I wanted to share with you. If you like a decant of this perfume to know what it smells like, you want to experience it, you cannot get a full bottle because full bottle is not even available. Before you see full bottle, you know what costs it. So if you like to know what Layaan by Lattafa smells like and you like a decant, 10 ml decant size is available. Send me a message at perfumeenclave.ng on Instagram. Till I see you in my next video, remember to smell your absolute best. My name is Gloria. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.